Listen carefully. Not everyone who smiles at you is your friend. The Prophet, peace be upon him, warned us about people like this. People who come close but harm you from inside. He, peace be upon him, said, "The signs of a hypocrite are three. First sign, when he speaks, he lies. He laughs with you, but destroys your name behind your back. Second sign, when he promises, he breaks it. Sweet words, false hope, and when you need him most, he vanishes. Third sign, when you trust him, he betrays you. Your secrets, your pain, your plans become weapons against you." The Prophet, peace be upon him, didn't teach this to make us hate people, but to protect our hearts and our iman. Remember this, not everyone who walks with you is walking for you. Some people are not friends, they are lessons. Choose your companions wisely, because they can lead you to Jannah or drag you toward destruction.